Welcome. In front of me I have the VIVO Y22S, and today I will show you how you can apply a tempered glass to this device. I have one right here for this. Now it's for a different device, but because they basically use all the same screens, this one fits basically perfectly, as you can see. It doesn't have a cutout for the camera, but for me it doesn't really matter. And the process really doesn't change. So there we go, that's my glass. Now, along with the glass, your tempered one, you should be getting also dry and wet wipe. Now, if you get glass, tempered glass from this company, I would recommend using something like a microfiber cloth instead, because these wipes are just hilariously small. So there we go, that's the that's a wet wipe that is not wet. As you can see, it literally isn't wet. So yeah, that's basically what you get, at least at the budget range here for tempered glasses. So yeah, something like a microfiber cloth will work significantly better. But before I go into actually cleaning off the display, I'll quickly just explain how I apply my tempered glass. So in the case of this one, we only have one little sticker right here with a number 1. But if there are ones with like 1 and 2 on the other side, then you always start with 1, which will reveal a sticky side on the tempered glass. So when you peel off 1, then flip it over and just slap it. So that's how you would put it. Then once that's done, you just peel off number 2, which will reveal the actual like glass itself. In this specific one, the glass side is already revealed. There's nothing protecting it, so we don't have a number 2 here. Now, when I apply my tempered glass, I will start off from the top of the phone, pinching the glass from both top and bottom on the sides. And while pinching it, I'll also try to feel the bezels of the phone so I can position it kind of like this, left to right. And I'll start off from the top at an angle, so just kind of one side. And this will allow me to just maneuver it so it's evenly spaced out on top right and left side, and also from the bezels. Once that is correctly placed, I'll then apply a little bit more pressure here so it won't shift too easily, and just lower it down to the phone, making some minute adjustments when just close to the end. At that point, I'll just drop it and it should start sticking to the phone without a problem. So there we go, that's the process. Now let's get into actually cleaning off the display. So when cleaning off the display, you just want to make sure you get all the like dirt from it first. That's the most important one. And then you want to make sure that you don't have any kind of dust on your phone. There we go, that looks pretty good. As you can see, no dust. So once that's prepared, let's just peel that off and apply it. So as you can see, I'm applying it at an angle. And there we go. Perfect. So there we go. It's perfectly applied, evenly spaced, or as evenly as I got it. Maybe like a millimeter difference here than there. And everything will work. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.